Another key for success is network. This is one that I had some difficulties with because, for me, when you're good at something, you create your product and then you sell it to people. But then I noticed that many successful people talk about networking and having to rely on other people because you cannot do everything by yourself. You need help. You need to keep contact, to stay in touch with some people. You never know. When you stay in touch with some people, you can, I don't know, if you send an email saying, oh, how are you doing today, blah blah blah, and you're telling them about a project you're working on. You don't know, maybe they're looking for somebody like you. And you can have many people you work with. You can have many people on your network who can help you in the future. But if you're doing everything by yourself, nobody knows what you're doing. Nobody can refer you to something or somebody, or you don't know. So having a network is very important because those people can actually move things for you. You don't have all the answers, you don't have all the access, but those people, you never know who they know. So have a good network, not in a way where you just exploit people, but in a way where you just take advantage of them, using them. No, but like in a genuine relationship.